Hi, I'm Pete Johnson. I'm the field CTO of AI at MongoDB, and welcome to Building the AI Era, a look at how organizations can use data to build AI applications smarter, faster, and with purpose. I'm joined by my colleague Shilpa Kolhar, Senior VP of Product and Engineering at MongoDB, and Devin Dickerson, Principal Analyst at Forrester, to discuss how to reconcile the need for traditional data approaches with the need for a durable, performant data foundation that delivers value.
Devin, we touched upon the point that modernization's efforts need to be faster, cheaper, and less risky. What about reliability and support?
Yeah, so this is hugely important. We've seen the headlines in recent months where when this goes wrong, it is very noticeable, impacts customers and impacts the bottom line. We need uptime, and if I'm thinking about a legacy modernization, the biggest thing that I'm worried about is data loss. Then there's another side of it too. I think that there's a way in which certain application architectures make software more brittle and harder to change, which indirectly impacts resilience in operations. And I think that's part of the modernization strategy of thinking about extensibility as a resilience vector.
That's a very good point. So when we modernize with MongoDB, one of our key principles is to ensure that there is no data loss, like zero data loss is the principle. A big challenge that many of the IT firms are facing is lack of native AI capabilities like vector embeddings and vector search in the database. And then when the development team is tasked to fix it, there's a lot of friction. What's your take on that?
At the end of the day, you're either calling a platform feature or you're doing custom Python and reinventing the wheel. Having AI native capabilities in your platform and developer experience aligns well to AI assisted application development because you're calling functionality that exists and is opinionated and works with the data platform, as opposed to just kind of winging it and figuring it out on your own.
Natively having vector search and vector embeddings doesn't mean you need to now have a different system, like there is a source of truth and then there is another system where you copy this data to fundamentally build those indices for search and so on. With Atlas Search and auto embeddings, MongoDB provides it out of the box. And that's how developers are able to leverage this platform instead of having to think through connecting these various dots.
So we know organizations want to implement AI solutions. We also know that a lot of organizations have their data trapped in legacy systems that weren't designed to handle AI-style workloads. Does this come up in conversations that you have with CTOs? And what's the cost of this misalignment?
This conversation comes up quite a bit as in the context of AI modernization use cases, both in using AI to modernize the applications, but also using AI to build AI as part of that modernization. When dealing with an emerging technology like AI or trying to build agents on top of this data, I need some flexibility. I need the ability to kind of do trial and error, figure out what works best in terms of creating the best output or the best automation for the process that I'm trying to enable.
Security always rears its head in any kind of new technology, and there's typically a lag between the implementation of something and then the security overlay. How important is cybersecurity here to these AI use cases?
I think it's hugely important. For one, because a lot of the SKUs that people consume AI with are not well understood and can be quite expensive. On the data side, we're also exposing, sometimes differentiating, important contextual information to enable the processes, and that data might be sensitive. We need to think about both that denial of wallet, but also securing sensitive data, both in transit as it goes between maybe agents or people, but also at rest.
Thanks for tuning in to Building the AI Era. Visit mongodb.com to learn more.